Yeah, another one about money, man. Money. Everything everybody needs.
All I do is bow, 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 bow. All I know is bow, 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 bow. Bitch, I'm out here trying to bow, 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 bow. Money standing tall, 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 tall.
Bitch, I'm out here getting money, out here hitting licks in your hallway. Bitch, I'm chilling on them bricks. How you feel, nigga? I'm the neighborhood hood kid. Up to no good, understood ball shit. How I feel, Jack Ball. Every day I stunt like bitches on my dick. You know that they love the front. Really, I don't play. Yep, you know I lay them. I'm like a slayer with these bitches, and I slayed them. So you just like mayhem, a nigga just smoke dope. How I fucking feel, don't choke, just blow smoke. Niggas know me as that little nigga that be laid back. 4-5 up on my waistline, no, don't test that.